Good morning, 4K friends! Are you ready to play a math game with me? So today, I'm going to teach you how to play the math game ZAP. Z-A-P, ZAP. And so, the way it works is we're going to take turns. I'll pull a card out for me, and then I'll pull a card out for you. And you need to help me know what number is on it. So I want you to tell me what number is on it. Sometimes there will be some dots on it. So I want you to tell me how many dots are on it. Are you ready? Pull your math cap on. Here we go. All right, I'm going to open it up. And I'm going to pull a card out. This one is for you. So I'm not going to peek. Here we go. The very first card I pulled was a ZAP card. So do you know what that means? ZAP means, if you pull a ZAP card, that means that you have to put all of your cards back in the bucket. So do you have any other cards right now? Nope. So we're just going to put the ZAP card back in the bucket. What a silly first turn. All right, so now it's my turn. I'm going to pull out a ZAP card for myself. Not a ZAP card. I hope not a ZAP card. I'm going to pull out a card for myself. I pulled a ZAP card out too. Oh my goodness. Let's see if we can try it again. Gonna put it back in. No peeking. No peeking. All right. Here's my card. Does my card have dots or a number on it? It has a dot on it. How many dots are on this card? Just one. One. And then I get to keep this card. And now it's your turn. I'm going to pull a card out for you. Hopefully it's not a ZAP card. What number is this, boys and girls? You're right. The number 6. I'll put your card in your pile right here. Now it's my turn. I'm going to pull out a card. I got another dot card. How many dots are on my card? You're right. 2. 1, 2. Some of you were able to just look at this and you could tell me it was 2. Great job. Some of you had to count the dots. That's okay too. 1, 2. Keep going. Your turn. What number is this, boys and girls? You're right. The number 5. I'm going to put that in your pile. We'll each have one more turn. This was my turn. What did I get? I got a ZAP card. Oh no. That means I take all of my cards in my pile and I put them back in the ZAP bucket. I'm going to put them back in. And one more turn for you. And then I'll explain some more rules for your moms and dads. What number is this? You're right, 10. 1 and 0 make 10. You got it. Way to go. All right, I'm going to put your cards back in because we are all done playing. And so, moms and dads, grandmas and grandpas, aunts, uncles, whoever's watching this video with your kiddo, this game is pretty easy to make at home. So what you need is a jar, a bucket. You can use an old can. You can use a hat. Whatever you can find in your home to be like a bucket. To make your cards, you can either do cards like this. And I made my cards probably a little too big because they're hard to shuffle. So make them smaller than a square. Maybe make them a small rectangle or something. You can either draw it on paper, notebook paper. You can use popsicle sticks, whatever you have in your house. And I did dots 1 through 10, and then I did numbers 1 through 20. This may be different for each child. Your child may know the numbers 1 through 10, so you don't want to put the numbers 1 through 10 in there. Maybe you just want to put the numbers 11 through 20 in there. Or maybe you want to put 1 through 20 or just 1 through 5, 1 through 10, whatever you think is best for your child because I know everyone is at different stages. So any questions, feel free to send me a message. And if you're in my class, I will be calling you today. I'm so excited to hear your voice or see your face. If you're in Miss Betsy or Miss Chastity's class, I know that they have already been reaching out to families as well. With that being said, make sure you tune in to Miss Betsy's Circle Time video and Miss Chastity's Bedtime Story video. Alrighty, I will see you again on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye, boys and girls.